in this container we have input field, but below this container we are going to see all the club we have, and we'll have few buttons to delete and update this club as well. Okay, so let's do it. At first let's create a div with the class name of all clubs and margin top of 4, and it will also have a container and margin horizontally auto. Those all classes are coming from Tailwind CSS. If you don't know about those, then you can search on their website Tailwind CSS. You can find lots of things about those. And actually this is not main focus of this tutorial. The main focus is GraphQL, so just ignore it and use plain HTML and style it by yourself if you don't want to use Tailwind CSS. Okay, let's create a UL undecorated list with a class name of list. This list is our custom class. Space y mean horizontally, no, y mean vertically, and x mean horizontally. To okay, dot flex dot inline flex. If you make this flex wrap, then it will be little bit responsive. Okay, this inline flex mean it will align horizontally. And the last class we have is justify between. Okay, inside this UL will have few list item, that mean li, class name of text gray 300. Okay, dot bg background gray of 800, and list item. Include all those class because in up next we are going to create some custom styling that is not included in Tailwind CSS. Okay, so just use those classes as well. Shadow, and we'll have a hover effect. Okay, that's all. Actually, let's create one more class of width 1 divided 1/3, that mean 1 portion of 3. Okay, next in hover just give a colon. Here we'll have background color of gray 700, and transition, all the property will be transition and transition colors. Okay, that's all. Next we'll have a div inside list item. This div is inside list flex justify. This justify between add some space between two item or more than two item. Okay, dot flex row will align all those items horizontally. Okay, flex row means. Next we'll have border b. This is our custom class. Actually this is not our custom class. Border b means some solid color. Border b border. Actually I'm not sure what this border b means. I just copied these codes. Okay, solid border indigo, this is the name of a color. Border margin bottom of 2. Okay, sorry, I forgot to add a dot here as well. Okay, here we'll have a p tag with class of w, that means width on divided 2, that is 50%. I name club name. Okay, control shift d for just duplicate this item. Okay, or duplicate this line. Save it and reload the page once again. Let's see, it's not looking perfect. Okay, actually before that let's add two button for delete and button for update. This will have a class of bg rate since we are deleting, so rate is padding vertically 1, dot padding horizontally 2. This will add some radius. Okay, delete. Let's create one more button with background color of blue, and this is also rounded, but since it is an update, save it. Okay, here's the problem. Inside this undecorated list ul, you have to give the full width, that means 100% width, and in 100% you can make all the list item as 33%. This is okay, I think it's looking perfect, but this is hard coded value. We are going to get all the class from the database by using our fetch API, and we'll print here as well, and we'll make a loop. All the club name and all the club details will be print one by one